Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to solve the problem Mark's Cakewalk. Mark loves cupcakes, but he also likes to stay fit. Each cupcake has a calorie count and Mark can walk a distance to expound those calories. If Mark has eaten J cupcakes so far, after eating a cupcake with C calories, he must walk at least 2 power J multiplies C miles to maintain his weight. So here they have provided an example. So this is the calorie of cupcakes. So that is 5, 10 and 7. If he eats the cupcakes in the order shown, the miles he will need to walk are, so first will be 2 power 0 multiplies 5 and the second will be 2 power 1 multiplies 10, 2 power 2 multiplies 7. So the total is 5 plus 20 plus 28 is 53. This is not the minimum. So we need to test other orders of consumption. In this case, our minimum miles is calculated as 2 power 0 multiplies 10, 2 power 1 multiplies 7 and 2 power 2 multiplies 5. So here you can able to see the difference, right? They are just sorted these calories in descending order. And after that they are multiplying with 1, 2 and 4. So if you multiply the numbers that are in descending orders, means you obviously get the minimum result, that is 44. Given the individual calorie counts for each of the cupcakes, determine the minimum number of miles Mark must walk to maintain his weight. Note, he can eat the cupcakes in any order. So they have mentioned this note also. We can able to sort the array in descending order and find the minimum number of miles very quickly. So here also the time complexity will be n log n because of the sorting algorithm. So here they have mentioned few things. The constraints returns, the constraint is the maximum number is 40, so it's not that much of a bigger number. And here we have sample input. If you sort it in descending order, means 3, 2, 1. So if you go in that order, means it will be 3. So the total miles he have to walk is 11. So we have to return that. And now in this example we have 7, 4, 9, 6. Again sort the calories in descending order and try to calculate the same computation. So the total number of miles is 79. Now we have found our logic. Now let's dive into the code. First we have the calorie. I have to sort it in descending order. So that will be calorie dot sort. So to sort in descending order we have to use reverse equals true. So this parameter will sort your array in descending order, and after that we have to do this computation. So we have to iterate these calories. So for cal in calorie, I'm just iterating each calorie. I think this is not much better way. I will use the range itself. For I in range of len of calorie, I will show you why I am using range here. Before that I have to initialize the result. So I will call that as miles equals 0. Now miles plus equals, what is the formula? 2 power I multiplies the calorie. So 2 power I multiplies the calorie of I. Why I am doing this? For each iteration itself we are incrementing the I by 1. So it automatically helps us to do the computation in the formula. That's why I just use this range, or else you have to create a separate variable. So this will be much simpler. And after iterating this array we will be returning this miles. So return miles. So I think that solves our problem. I already explained how this works. They also gave us a clear explanation. So usually some people go for some permutation and try to find out whether it is possible or not, or else they will find out all the possible miles that they can able to get from this calorie count and find the minimum. So that is a complex stuff. Here our topic is greedy, so we have to find the best possible case in our problem. So these greedy algorithms will be much simpler and easy to code. So I think that's it. Let's run our code. This passed our sample test case. Let's submit it. Yes, we have successfully solved the problem. If you have any other logic other than this, please leave a comment below. It will be very helpful for the community. Other than that, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends if it is helpful. Stay tuned for the next video.